Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking. Today I want to show you how I make my mom potato chutney or sashimi pomme de terre for the way my mom used to do it, and I really love it. It turns out so creamy, tasty, spicy. I just want to share it how my mom used to make potato chutney, sashimi pomme de terre. To begin, I have pressure cooker with water, and I have already peeled my potatoes right here, and then I just make sure that they're all the same size when it's time to boil. If not, you can just cut them into the same size. Now, this recipe is also good for beginners. If you're beginning of your cooking and you want to learn a small dish like a potato chutney, you can definitely follow this recipe and you'll be good to go. So if you don't want to use pressure cooker or you don't have a pressure cooker, you can use a pot to boil your potatoes. It's gonna do the same job, it's just gonna take longer than a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker is just a quicker, faster cooking. So what I'm gonna do is cover the lid, and then I'm gonna put this to boil until completely soften. Just take a knife and put it inside the potato, and you will know if it's soft, then the potato is ready, and then we'll move forward. Okay guys, my potatoes is already boiled. I have removed them from the pressure cooker. Obviously no water, just don't bring any water into your plate. And then we also need some onion. I have finely sliced them, and then a few dry red chilies. So now what you have to do is just use a fork or use a potato masher, and then just mash the potatoes. Okay, now add your salt. You know, potatoes need salt, so add a generous amount of salt, and then I want to give them a mix. And I also want to say that my oil is preheating. It's about half cup of oil that is heating in my pan, and then we're gonna go now and fry the onion. Now I'm gonna fry the dry red chilies first. Okay, so this is looking good, and now I'm gonna remove these chilies straight to my potatoes. Just gonna leave it for a second, and now to the same oil I'm gonna fry the onion. In the meantime, while my onion is frying, I want to show you how do you get the right spicy sashimi pomme de terre or potato chutney. So now the chili are so crispy. This is how my mom used to do. She used to break the chilies, and she tried to smash them just like that. Now if somebody doesn't eat spicy in your house, you can obviously do this two different ways. You can remove a little bit without the spiciness, and then you add your onion to it. But if everybody eats spicy, then you can just follow this way. You're gonna get a very spicy potato chutney. Now you can see all the chilies has been mashed, and don't worry about mixing them right now all everywhere. We'll do that after. All right guys, onion is getting brown. Now you don't want this to burn, you don't want this to get too much brown. This is okay. And now you're gonna add your potatoes straight to the pan, and that's all you have to do. Just mix them just until combined, and then reduce the heat to low. It was on medium. This is looking so gorgeous right now. The smell is so good. Just try it this way, and then you guys gonna tell me how did you like it. I absolutely love this way. It turns out so spicy. All right, it's been 2 minutes since I was mixing this on the low heat after adding the potatoes to the fried onion. And then now I'm gonna shut my heat off. And this is ready to serve. So good, so good. The smell is so good, guys. I can't wait. You're gonna have your plain rice, your bouillon bread, your chutney potatoes, or sashimi pomme de terre. It is absolutely divine and so typically Mauritian food, Mauritian weeknight food. Get the ingredients in the description box down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.